In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for social media. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive into how you can effectively use Monday.com to streamline your social media planning. First, head over to the official website of Monday.com. This platform is a fantastic tool for managing projects, and social media is no exception. Once you're on the site, it's time to sign in. You can do this using your Google account if you prefer, or simply enter your registered email address. After signing in, you'll land on your dashboard, which is the hub for all your projects. Now, to start creating a new board, look for the plus sign button in the left workspace area. This simple button is your gateway to organizing your social media tasks. Next, click the arrowhead symbol next to the board section. This will reveal an extended menu of options, which allows for a variety of project management functions. From this menu, select the option to start with a template. By doing this, you'll gain access to a library filled with pre-made layouts that align with different project needs. Templates are super helpful, especially for social media, as they provide a structured starting point. To find specific tools for social media planning, enter social media into the template search bar. This will filter the available templates, making it easier to find exactly what you're looking for. From the results, choose the Social Media Planner template. This template is designed with specific features that cater to the needs of social media management, helping you stay organized and consistent. Once you've made your selection, click the Use Template button. This action will automatically set up the board within your project workspace, giving you a fantastic foundation to start working from. Now, it's time to customize the board to fit your specific needs. You can edit the column content fields to reflect your posting schedule and strategy. For instance, you might want to include columns for the post date, content type, platform, and even a progress tracker. Feel free to make any adjustments that will ensure this board meets your workflow seamlessly. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully set up your Monday.com board for social media. Using Monday.com can greatly enhance your social media management by providing a clear overview of your plans and tasks. Remember, the more tailored you make the board, the better it will serve your team's needs. So don't be afraid to experiment with the features and functionalities that best suit your style. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in getting started with Monday.com for your social media strategy. Happy planning!